All right, so I just got to finish up with my trading session for the day. I ended up taking 3 trades today. So I basically had one loss, I had one win, and then I had another win. All right, so those are my 3 trades. All were taken on ES and NQ. I'll break them down, show you what I saw. Why I was struggling a little bit more. 2 wins and 1 loss is good though, so I'm not mad with how I traded. I don't think I tilted or anything like that. The market was just super choppy today, and there was a lot of fake outs. So that's kind of where I struggled more. But anyways, as you can see, I ended up making around 160 in 10 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made around $1,600 in profit on the day. So let's go ahead and break down the market, okay? It's Monday, and we got a new week ahead. It's going to be a slower week due to Thanksgiving, Black Friday, the holidays. As you can see, this is the ES market. This morning, right, if you see this zone up here, we look like we're trying to break into the zone and maybe test the highs. And I actually took a trade, but again, this is a massive fake out. We finally broke out of the range from last week, right? And we look like we're going good. So if we go into, I actually traded this on a 30-second time frame since I was scalping today. As you can see, market open right here. We broke down. And then we got above our previous high in pre-market, right? So I thought that was a good sign. We got above our level. And what ended up happening here was, if you guys don't know how I trade already, I'm a trend pullback trader. So I'm trying to trade with a trend and get in on the small pullbacks, right? The very micro pullbacks, which is why I use a smaller time frame, either a 2-minute or a 30-second time frame, depending on the volatility. Now, as you can see, we got above this level, right? Volume looked good here. And we got this light pullback, this micro pullback. I entered long on this confirmation candle right here. My indicator was trading above the top line. So everything looks solid for longs. And then we got up a few points, and I was reaching for somewhere up here in this range and eventually to this level. And as you can see, we just dumped down and we fully faked out. Right, so I could have waited longer until the market developed more. Obviously, this is like 12 minutes into the market open, but the setup was there. I liked it. The risk wasn't crazy big, so I decided to try it. So that was a loss. That put me down around 200 on my 10 accounts. So that I was down around 2,000 when I started that. The next trade was on NQ. Now, NQ has the same story as far as the bigger time frame that I just showed you on ES. We've kind of looked like we're going above, and then we broke down, right? So obviously that was my loss on ES. We broke down back into this range, and not only did we get back into this range, but we also broke our pre-market support level. So now we're back into the range from last week. Okay, this big consolidation range, which kind of makes sense because, you know, the market's likely to be more choppy this week due to holidays. I don't expect any big moves or all-time highs. So it doesn't surprise me. We're back in that same range. But anyways, we broke down short, and, you know, we still had a bunch of old resistance support here from Friday. So we were likely to bounce off here. We got that bounce. So I was like, okay, this could be a fake out to the downside where, you know, we touch the low and then we get back into this range again. That was kind of my thought process on this trade. As you can see, we're trending up. We got this aggressive move up. We got a light pullback here. I ended up entering long on this candle. It's not the perfect setup, but, you know, the RMAC was there. And the only issue was we're close to resistance. I ended up getting one trim at my 1-to-1. So I believe I trimmed at around 30 something right here. So this is my first trend up here, and I wanted 50 for my second trim. That would have put me up around 2,000 on the day. But unfortunately, I got one trim. I trimmed around 50% of my position, and then I got stopped out on break even. Okay, so this is basically what my trade looked like. So nothing too crazy there. Again, we just lost momentum, and we fell back down to our support. So again, pretty much all day, my plan was if we can get above this level, I want to go long, because if we get back into this consolidation range, right, everyone's going to close out their shorts and market's going to rip up to this level. That was my plan the whole day. As you can see, we pretty much just chopped around. Then finally, a few hours in, we looked like we're getting above this level, right? This high closed above these last highs. We got this small pullback. I didn't want to enter here because we're kind of getting back down. We got another rise up. This high broke this last high. We got a light pullback here. I was like, okay, this is my chance. This is my opportunity. I got long right here at 9:30:30. This is a 30-second candle. I got long right here, put my stop right below the lows. That's what I always do. And then I rode this up to a 1.5 risk reward, trimmed some right here, and then I just took it fully off at the VWAP area. So I probably got out, I think I got out right at VWAP. So yeah, probably around 58 I had my order. And this brought me positive on the day. This brought me to that 160 in 10 of my accounts, totaling $1,600 in profit. I did want to hold this longer, but I was like, okay, again, the market's being weird today, so I just fully closed it. So happy I was able to fully close that out. Anyways, guys, those are my trades for the day. Tricky market. Real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know something super special I'm doing right now. I got a Black Friday sale going on. So if you guys don't know, I trade live every single day on Zoom with my private group. Monday through Friday, we trade live on Zoom. And this is one of my most helpful products. You know, it's more helpful than any course I could give or anything like that, because you're watching me trade live. You're actually seeing me doing it in real time. You're trading with me. So a good example is like, did you learn how to drive better when you watched a driving course or when you drove with the driving instructor? So again, this is my most helpful product. People get the most value from this. So I figured I'd do a Black Friday sale on this. So for this sale, I'm doing lifetime access to live trading with me. So you'll get lifetime access to trade live with me Monday through Friday for the next year, next 2 years, next 3 years, however long I'm doing this. I don't plan on quitting anytime soon. I love trading live and being able to trade with other people and build a community up. So in these live trading sessions, you're going to be able to see my exact entries, my exact exits in real time. And I'm also going to be giving you education in my trades while I'm taking them. So you're not going to just see me press buy and sell. I actually narrate kind of my thought process throughout the live sessions, what I'm watching for, my plan, when I'm getting in. Okay, guys, I'm just waiting for this confirmation. All right, I'm getting in now, right? Getting in long, I show where I put my stop loss. So you'll be able to see the whole thought process and actually get education, because yeah, you can copy my trades and some people do, but I think the more important thing is the education you're going to get during these live sessions. So if you don't know, I normally charge $197 a month for this group to trade live with me, or $2,300 per year. For this Black Friday special, again, this is something I'll probably never do again, and it's only available this week for Black Friday. It's going to be a one-time payment of $497. Very exclusive sale. Like I said, I'll probably never do this again. This is only available this week for Black Friday. I can promise you that. So if you guys are interested and you think this would be helpful for you in your trading, all you have to do is go to the first link in the description below, claim access to this offer right now, and you'll be able to trade live with me as soon as tomorrow morning. That being said, guys, as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow morning on that live trading session. Hopefully the market's less choppy. We'll see what it gives us. I'll see you guys then.